Hello everyone and welcome again to our series of videos, English for Beginners. Today we'll talk about the present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about things in general. We use it to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Let's try to see examples about it. Water boils at 100 degrees is an example of the present simple tense being used to state a general truth or scientific fact. In this sentence, boils is the present simple form of the verb boil. It is used to describe the natural boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Now, they speak English fluently is a sentence in the present simple tense. In this sentence, speak is the present simple form of the verb speak, and it describes the ability of they to communicate English fluently. The present simple tense is used in this context to state a general truth or a fact about their language proficiency, indicating that their fluency in English is ongoing and regular characteristic. She goes jogging every day is a sentence in the present simple tense. Here goes is the present simple of the verb to go, and it is used to express the routine or habit of jogging. The addition of every day emphasizes that this is a regular occurrence. She goes jogging on a daily basis. The present simple tense, of course, is commonly used to describe repeated action or habit that happens regularly. In this case, it tells us about her daily jogging routine. However, not all the time the present simple tense indicate that something happens in the present. For example, I have an exam next Tuesday is a sentence that talks about a future event using the present simple tense. In this sentence, have is the present simple form of the verb to have, and it is used to express scheduled event, the exam, that will take place in the future, specifically on the upcoming Tuesday. It is common to use the present simple tense for scheduled event or fixed arrangement in the future, especially when you have a specific date or time for the event. By saying next Tuesday, you have provided a clear time reference for when the exam will happen. Now let's see how we are going to use the present simple with pronouns. For example, we have with the pronoun I eat breakfast every morning. I enjoy watching movies. As you can see, we still use the base form of the verb. So for example, we say I eat, we use the verb to eat, so as it is. I eat breakfast every morning. I enjoy watching movies. You, the same thing. You play the guitar very well. And or for example, in the case of interrogative form, do you like ice cream? Now, you see with the pronoun he, things is a bit different. Things are a bit different. We have he works as a teacher. You see, we add s to the verb, and he loves to read books. The same thing when we go to pronoun she. We have she goes jogging every day. She speaks Spanish fluently. It also we add s. We have the sun rises in the east. It rains a lot in this area. So always remember that we add s to the base form of the verb in the present simple tense. Actually, this is one of the indicators. Now with we don't add s, we and they. So we study together for exams. We often go on vacations. They live in that house and they play soccer on weekends. So this is the rule for the present simple tense. I really hope you have enjoyed this lesson about the present simple functions. Now what I want you to do, I want you to write sentences for each pronoun. Try to use the present simple to write one sentence. Now finally, what can I tell you? Please subscribe and follow my page and support this content. Thank you so much. Good.